Santa's getting in his sleigh.
Good day everyone and welcome back to aiZarry's channel. And for today's video, we are going to Mossman. It's an hour and 15 minutes drive from here in Cairns to Mossman. I just finished my 8 a.m. to 4:30 work. So we are going straight to Mossman. We are going to watch Douglas Street Festival. So it's a part of Christmas activity in Douglas-Shire. It's Port Douglas and Mossman. So it's a part of Christmas activity. So let's see what's in there. We'll see you in the So welcome to Douglas Street Festival. So I think hindi ko sure kung saan kayo event, but I think around 8 o'clock na si Santa. And so yeah, in the Douglas Street Festival, so naghag mga food court and lots of people are doing some performances. There's a lot of locals here who are selling their products to tourists and some local people here. Really fun in here, and Douglas Street Festival is also one of the Christmas activity here in Douglas-Shire. So let's.
I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time.
And also for the street party, we want to thank the men's shed Mossman for resurrecting Santa's sleigh in such a short time. I think it'll be coming around shortly.
So Mac and I are already hungry, so we'll try to look in some of the food cart here. Okay, mangita sa may kuan, makaon, gutom na may. Let's try to check what's in here.
Having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand.
Oh, Miss Trevor, Merry Christmas. Can I have 8 pieces of?
Hold on a second. I actually 5, 4, and 1.
No.
I only have 3 chicken thighs left. I don't have anymore.
No more chicken wings. Just thigh.
I have thighs.
2 thighs. 2 thighs.
You can wait. Now we take about like 15-20 minutes.
15. Just thigh. 2 thighs and iced chocolate. 1 iced chocolate. You're busy, Miss Drama.
Waiting.
Yeah.
I just come back from holiday. Yet another.
Left. Yeah. Hot chili sauce. Oh, we can do that one here.
Chili pepper salt?
Chicken pepper sauce.
That's a bit chili, but not really spicy. Really good.
Thanks, Miss. Finally, we can eat. We have chicken thigh wing, chicken thigh. Ala! Oh my God! Sunog! No, naabot si Santa. Dito ka siya agi. Dito siya agi. Dito siya dito.
up here? Is it really him? Oh my God. Everybody, look what's coming out of the truck. It's him. Put your hands together for Santa Claus. I gotta get myself together. Merry Christmas. Before I lose my mind. I'm gonna get leave that news behind. When you're gone, I wanna say Merry Christmas. Santa's getting in.
Hello, everyone! Hi! Is everyone going to say hi, Santa? Hi, Santa!
And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss it.
Yeah, I think we are all done exploring the event, the show. Wala pa siya. The show is not yet finished. I think it will finish at 10 p.m. But for us, I think we need to head back to Cairns because we need to travel for an hour and 15 minutes. So with this vlog, wala kayo ko'y mga istorya because I just wanted to show what's going on with the event, kung saan makita mo sa Douglas Street Festival. And that's it for this vlog. I hope you like it. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. And that's all, and Merry Christmas everyone, and have a good night.